Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the this one JavaScript promissification, right? Today we'll be discussing about the lazy loading and code splitting. So what is lazy loading? Lazy loading delays loading the code until we need it, right? In simple terms, it delays the loading of the code until it's needed, reducing the initial load time. This is what the lazy loading does. And what is code splitting? Code splitting divides the code into smaller chunks for the efficient loading. So I hope this is clear. So let's see this one with a very simple example. So let's see how to lazy load with the dynamic imports. So what I'll do, I have created three files. One is HTML file. I have named it index.html, and two JavaScript files. One is main.js. I have named it main, and the another one is greet. So let's set up HTML file very quickly. So I'll just come here. Let me include the this one main.js, right? So I'll just come here. Let me make use of the script tag. I'll just give here src main.js. So I hope this is clear. Inside this, uh, let me quickly quickly make use of the button. I'll just name this one load greeting. Anything, you can give anything. In my case, this is relevant, so I am giving the name load greeting. So just give me a second here. Let's make this one type module, right? So I'll just give here, sorry, not this one, type. Let me give module here. So I hope this is clear. This is it for the HTML. Next, let's come to the JavaScript file, main.js file, right? So before this, let's do one thing. Let's create this one. Let's set up greet.js file initially. So what I'll do, I'll just make use of the export const. Let me give greet. Let's log something. In my case, I'll just give here console log of I'll just give here hello Bharadwaj. So I hope this is clear. Next, let's set up the main.js file very quickly. In my case, let me come here quickly. I'll just give document. We have given ID, I think, here, right? So yeah, what I'll do, I'll just give here ID of load button quickly here. So we'll be making use of the click event listener, right? So I'll just go with get element by ID of load button, right? So I'll quickly come here and copy this one. Let's add the event listener. Add event listener of click, and let me make use of the async. So here what I'll do, within this one, let's load the greet. So here we have made use of the async, right? I'll just give here await as well. So await, let's make use of the, we are making use of the dynamic import, right? So import of greet.js. Let me give here complete file name we have to give. Then let me call the function greet here, right? I hope this is clear. If I try running the code one, I'll just come here. So I'll just come here. Let me right click and click on open with live. Wait for some time. So here we have load greeting, right? So yeah, what this is giving failed to load the resource. The server responded with a status of followed forward. So yeah, this one let me clear actually. Yeah, while I click on the button, we are getting hello Bharadwaj, right? So just give me a second here. Why this is showing this one, I don't know. Yeah, now while we click on this one, we are getting this one hello Bharadwaj. I'll quickly explain what I have done here. So here we can clearly see in the main.js file, we are loading the greet module only when the button is clicked, right? So this will be very helpful. So this is a simple example of lazy loading. We have made use of the dynamic imports, right? So next, uh, uh, let's uh, let's do one thing. You can try the code splitting with the webpack basically. So we have to set the webpack. So I'll not be showing the example for the code splitting with the webpack. So just try the similar example. It will be very similar to the dynamic import. So uh, just try the same thing. You have to set up the webpack file, and this thing you can make use of the dynamic import as well for the code splitting. So it will be similar. Just try that one as well. This is it for now. Next, we will be discussing about the JavaScript performance optimization, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.